When downsizing, it's essential to assess the value of your belongings. What is it truly worth? I'm often shocked what I see items sold for on Facebook Marketplace. Years of collecting china and crystal and the whole lot is sold for $200 when you know one of those glasses costs $100 a piece and there are 12 of them. Oh, it just kills me when I see it. Is that Oriental dining room rug worth the $15,000 or is it $500 or even less? What about the carved bed in the primary suite of your home? You bought it for $6,000, would you even get $450? Or maybe would you be paying someone to haul it off? Knowing an item's worth can help you decide whether to sell, donate, or let it go. I'm seeing a lot of grandchildren selling these items for pennies on the dollar online, helping their grandparents with digital aspects of selling. If I can be helpful to you in creating ideas and ways of getting rid of your things, I would love to be of assistance. My name is LeAnn Gunnell, your real estate advisor and strategist in South Metro Denver.